In the meantime, let's focus and get you a breaking update that now we are picking up, because this is coming across as a setback to the Tamil Nadu governor there, and this is with regards to the Tamil Nadu governor versus government face-off that has been reported, as far as the Supreme Court has come out to say that withholding any bills by the governor is illegal. The Supreme Court, which has now set aside the reservation bill, saying that the governor acted without any bona fide. So here is when it comes to the update that is now coming in from the Supreme Court directly. A setback for the Tamil Nadu governor. The Supreme Court comes out to say clearly that the governor cannot hold back the bills. As far as this is a win for the M.K. Stalin government that ruled against Governor R.N. Ravi's decision to withhold assent to at least 10 key bills that were illegal and arbitrary. The court has ruled that the governor cannot reserve bills for the president after withholding assent. Let's get in a word from Harish now. Harish, what has now been... All right, just getting Harish connected with us, as far as this big development from the Supreme Court is now directly coming in as a setback to the governor, R.N. Ravi, in Tamil Nadu, as far as the Supreme Court saying that the governor cannot hold back bills. This is a win for the M.K. Stalin government, where the Supreme Court has ruled that Governor R.N. Ravi's decision to withhold assent to 10 key bills was illegal and it was arbitrary. Harish, if you can explain us what the Supreme Court has said.
Yes, Amita, big development as far as the ongoing fight. In fact, the rift between the Stalin government and the governor is concerned. The Supreme Court has clearly laid down the contours of governor's powers vis-a-vis passing of bills, and very clearly said that what the governor has done is a complete violation of Article 200, as per which defines how he should handle a bill. The Supreme Court very clearly saying that the governor is expected to take one of the three courses of action on bills, that is, one, grant assent to bills, or withhold assent to bills, or reserve the bills for the president. But here in this case, what the governor has done is that he kept the bills pending, and after almost 3 years after the Supreme Court passed the judgment in the Punjab case, where it had said that the governor cannot hold on to the bills, in that particular judgment, the Supreme Court had ruled that governors cannot endlessly keep on holding on bills. But after that, he had forwarded these bills to the president. This is what the Supreme Court has now declared as absolute veto. Pocket veto can't be exercised by the governor, and has declared that illegal and erroneous. So there are three big takeaways. One, that Supreme Court has set aside Tamil Nadu governor's reservation of 10 bills for president, says governor acted without bona fide, and Supreme Court held that action of the Tamil Nadu governor, Dr. R.N. Ravi, with withholding assent for 10 bills, the oldest of them pending since January 2020, and reserving them to the president after they were reenacted by the state legislature, is illegal and erroneous in law and liable to be set aside.
Governor there, as far as when it comes to the face-off that has been taking place, the Tamil Nadu governor, the Supreme Court has said that withholding bills by the governor is illegal and it is arbitrary. Thank you very much, Harish, for getting us the details. That is now coming directly from the Supreme Court of India. With that, we head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.